Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn rational numbers, chapter 9, exercise 9.1 for class 7. Before getting into this video, it's better if you watch the rational numbers introduction video posted already. First question. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. See, this is the number line. In between 0 and -1, we are going to list 5 rational numbers here. Actually, not only 5, there are unlimited number of rational numbers we can list in between these two. Now we are going to do only 5. Let's see how to do this. It's very easy. See here, -1 and 0. How many rational numbers? 5. We divided the number line between 0 and -1 is 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to do 5 rational numbers here. For that, what we need to do, easy method is just add how many given? 5. So add 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we are going to divide this portion as 6. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Include this also. This is 6. What we are going to do is, instead of this 0, shall we give 0 by 6? What is the value of 0 by 6? 0 only, right? 0 by 6 is 0 only. What I am going to do here is, see, I am using this 6 only as a denominator. So our denominator should be 6. So I am making like that. Minus 6 by 6 gives us -1. What is the value for this? This is nothing but -1. Just I am rearranging this 0 and -1 with the denominator 6. That's all. See, what is, just listen carefully. What is -1? We can write -1 in so many ways, right? I am writing, actually, if it is a rational number, -1 by 1, shall we write like this? Is there any doubt about this? Nothing, right? What I am doing is, just multiplied 6 in the numerator and 6 in the denominator. That's all. Similarly, for 0, shall we write this 0 as 0 by 1? What I did here is, I multiplied 6 in the numerator and the denominator. That's all. So, this is 0 divided by 6. And this is -6 divided by 6. That's all. I just gave -1 and 0 like this to have 6 in the denominator. That's all. So, just that means I divided these portion into 6. So to divide 6, what we need? 6 in the denominator. This is 0. 0 means this side only negatives. So how it will go? It will go -1 by 6. This is 0 by 6. So in this division, because we divided this into 6, so it will go like this only. After 0, it is -1. Here -2 divided by 6. This is -3 divided by 6. -4 divided by 6. -5 divided by 6. See, automatically -6 divided by 6, which is equal to -1. So this is the way we should give our rational numbers. See, these are all rational numbers. Now, so how to give this? -5 by 6 is one rational number. Okay, -5 by 6, comma, -4 by 6. How to give this -4 by 6? If we cancel, what will come? Using 2. 2 times, this is 3 times. So -2 by 3. We can give like this as simplest form. I am just giving simplest form. That's all. Now -3 by 6. If we cancel using 3, 1 time 3, this is 2 time 3. So this is equal to -1 by 2. Here -2 by 6. If we cancel using 2, 1 time, this is 3 time. So instead of -2 by 6, I am going to give -1 by 3. Comma, this is already in simplest form because there is no common factor between these two other than 1. So just give this as -1 by 6. So by this way, you can find enormous number of rational numbers in between any two numbers. That's all. You can have a doubt. Why can't we divide these into 7 or 8 in between two rational? You can do. Nothing wrong in that. You can divide these two using 7 also. If you do, 7 rational numbers will come in between. 0 by 7, this is minus 7 by 7. Try this and leave your answer in the comment box. In second subdivision, we are going to find 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. See, you can divide it into any number of parts, okay? 7, 8, whatever, even 10, even 1000 parts also you can make. So, it will come in between minus 2 and minus 1 alone. Now, for easiness, we are going to do as 6 parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, what we need to do for that? 5 plus 1 equal to 6. I am going to make my denominator as 6. See here, this is minus 1. Just listen carefully. Minus 1. Shall we write this minus 1 as minus 1 by 1? What I am going to do now is I want 6 in the denominator. So for that, what I need to do? Just multiply 6 in the numerator, in the denominator also. This is minus 6 by 6. Minus 6 by 6 is again minus 1 also. There is nothing wrong in showing minus 1 as minus 6 by 6. Now this 2, come to this 2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 1. But I want 6 in the denominator. For that, I am going to multiply 6 in the numerator and the denominator. This is equal to minus 12 by 6. Ultimately, minus 12 by 6 is nothing but minus 2. Okay. Instead of minus 1, this is minus 6 by 6. Instead of minus 2, this is minus 12 divided by 6. Is there any confusion in this? I think no. Now, we are going to write from here to here. If this is minus 6 by 6, this must be minus 7 by 6, right? See, it will increase, negative numbers increase this way. So, this is minus 8 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 11 by 6. So, we have found 5 rational numbers in between minus 1 and minus 2. What are the rational numbers we have found? We can cancel and give our answer. This is already in simplest form. We can give our answer in simplest form also. 11 by 6 alone. These two have 2 as common factor. So, cancel using 2. This is 5 times and this is 3 times. See, 3 is the common factor for these. Using 3 times. Here 2 times 3. 2 is the common factor between 2. So 4 times and this is 3 times. These do not have any common factors other than 1. So just give as it is. Now this is minus 5 by 3. Simplest form. That's all. Minus 3 by 2. Comma. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 7 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers in between minus 1 and minus 2. That's all. This is another interesting sum, third subdivision. We are going to find 5 rational numbers in between 2 negative rational numbers, minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 5 in fractional format. How to do this? Here it is 5 and 3. We cannot have 6 as because 5 rational numbers. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6 as a denominator. We cannot have, if you multiply it with the 6 in the denominator and numerator, this becomes 5, 6 are 30. This becomes 3 into 6 is 18. We cannot do like that. So what we are going to do is, we are going to find LCM for 5 and 3. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? There is no common factor, means just a product, a multiplication of these two numbers is the LCM. So 15 is the LCM. Now I am going to change this as 15. See, I want to make this minus 4 by 5. To have denominator 15, what we need to do? We need to multiply both the 3 into 3. If you do 3 only, it becomes 15. So, multiply the same thing in the numerator also. Minus 12 by 15. This minus 2 by 3. I want a 15 in the denominator. For that, what I need to do? Into 5. So, here also into 5. This is equal to minus 10 divided by 15. But listen carefully here. If this is the number line and we are having instead of minus 2 by 3, if we are having minus 10 by 15 here, and instead of minus 4 by 5, if we are having minus 12 by 15 here, in between only one rational number will come, right? Minus 11 by 15. See, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. So we are having only one rational numbers, but the question is 5 rational numbers. For that, what we need to do? Just increase your denominator doubly. That's all. If you increase your denominator, you will get 5 rational numbers or more rational numbers. Let's see. See, this is minus 4 by 5. These are all equivalent. Okay, these are all equivalent rational numbers. So instead of this, you can give your value like this. Now, instead of this, what I am going to do is just to multiply 2 and 2. This is minus 24 by 30, right? Here also, see, I'm making the denominator same. I want to make the denominator same. That's why I just trying with the 2. Let's see what happens. Minus 20 by 30. In between these two also, listen carefully. See, for this we will have minus 20 by 30. For this we can have minus 24 by 30. So how many possible? Minus 21 by 30, minus 22 by 30, minus 23 by 30. Here also we are shortage of 2 more rational numbers. So this also won't work out. Now what we are going to do is just see, have this minus 12 by 15. We already found this one. Take this. Here minus 10 by 15. Take this also. Instead of multiplying it with 2, try it with 3. See, denominator should be equal. So, multiply it with the same number. Into 3 into 3. Here also. Into 3 into 3. This is equal to minus 12 into 3 is minus 36 divided by 45. This is equal to minus 30 divided by 45. Right? This is nothing but this minus 4 by 5 alone. How it is 4 by 5? I will show you. Minus 2 by 3. This value is minus 2 by 3. Simplest form is both have 9 as the common factor. Right? So using 9, if you divide, what will happen? This becomes 4 and this becomes 5. The HCF is 15. Using 15, if you divide, it must be minus 2. Here it is 3. So same thing. Minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 36 by 45. This one. Similarly, instead of minus 2 by 3, this is minus 30 by 45. So what are all the things come in between in a number line? If this is the negative side of the number line, it will increase this way, left side, right? So it is minus 31 by 45, minus 32 by 45, minus 33 by 45, minus 34 by 45, minus 35 by 45. So these are all the rational numbers in between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Here also we are going to find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. It is also in fractional form. If it is in fractional form, just find the LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 doesn't have any common factor other than 1. So just multiply 2 and 3. So LCM is equal to 6 here. Right? Now we are going to make our denominator as 6. For that, what we need to do? Minus 1 by 2. I am going to make this denominator as 6. For that, I am going to multiply it with 3 here. Here also 3. So this is minus 3 by 6. 2 by 3. If I want 6 in the denominator means into 2 into 2 equal to 4 divided by 6. Instead of this minus 1 by 2, shall we give minus 3 by 6 here? Instead of this 2 by 3, shall we give 4 by 6 here? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to give rational numbers in between. So starts from 4. The next is, so many will come actually. 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6, 0 by 6 as 0, minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6 and minus 3 by 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rational numbers we have found in between these two. 6 rational numbers in between these two numbers. Now what we are going to do? We are cancelling using 2 here because common factor is 2. No common factor. Here it is 0. Here common factor is 2. So using 2 we are dividing both. Here common factor is 3. 1 divided by 2. So now write the simplest form. These are the rational numbers in between. You can eliminate any one rational numbers. You can give others also. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. Pattern means it should follow some unique operation in between every numbers, every rational numbers. So what is the pattern here? This is minus 3 by 5. See here minus 6 by 10. So just they multiplied here 2 times. So in the numerator and denominator, whatever you are doing in the numerator, you should do it in the denominator also. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. 5 into 2 is 10. What they have done? 3. See, they have multiplied each and every time. Only these are all equivalent rational numbers alone. Using this minus 3 by 5, they have increased. That means they have multiplied with 2, 3, 4, etc. like this. So minus 3 into 3 is 9 by 5 3s are 15. Here what they have done? Into 4. Into 4, here also into 4. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. This is 20. 5 4s are 20. So obviously next 4 rational numbers must be the next multiplication, consecutive multiplication numbers. That's all. If this is 4, this must be 5, this must be 6, and this must be 7, and this must be 8. Right? So what are they? These are all, this is minus 15 by 25, and this is minus 18 divided by 30. This is minus 21 divided by 35. Here minus 24 divided by 40. That's all. Easy. These are the other 4 rational numbers in the pattern followed. So what are the next 4 rational numbers for this problem? Minus 1 by 4. This is just they have multiplied it with 1 and 1. This is into 2 into 2. So minus 2 by 8. This is 3 in the numerator and denominator. So minus 3 divided by 12. So this is the given thing. Now we are going to find the next 4 rational numbers. For that, this is if they have multiplied it with 1, 2, 3 means we are going to multiply it with 4, 5, 6 and 7. Whatever we are doing, we should do it in the denominator also. So what are the rational numbers? Other rational numbers, this is minus 4 by 16. This is minus 5 by 20. Minus 6 by 24. Minus 7 by 28. So these are the other 4 rational numbers in this pattern. In this problem also, it is 1 by 1. These are all equivalent only, right? So this is 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Here they have multiplied it with the 4 by 4. If you see these things, you will come to know what they have done. See, in this problem also, they have using 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive numbers next. But if they have give more complicated means, what we need to do? You just divide this 2 by 1, second number by the first number. Just leave this sign, negative or positive, whatever. This is equal to 2. So they have used 2 here for multiplication, both denominator and numerator. Similarly, here also just divide the numerator by this first number. So this is 3. They used 3 in the numerator and denominator. This is between these two. Okay. Now for this 4 divided by 1. This is, they have used 4 in the numerator and denominator. So whatever number they have given, just to divide the numerator divided by the first numerator. So you will come to know which number they have used for multiplication in next numbers, for the next numbers. Now see here, same thing they have used. Minus 1 here, minus 1 by 6 into 1 is, into 1 by 1 is minus 1 by 6. Similarly here also same thing. See, 2 by minus 12. You can have negatives in the numerator or denominator. That's not the problem. Here 3 by minus 18. 4 by minus 24. What we need to do here? Into 5 into 5. So 6, 7, 8. So this is like this our pattern will go, right? Into 7, into 8. Now what is this? 5 divided by minus 30. This is 6 divided by minus 36. 7 divided by minus 42. 8 divided by minus 48. So this is our next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern. Here also see here 2 numerator divided by this numerator is 1. They have multiplied 1 here. See here, this is 2 by 3 as it is into 1 by 1. You can have minus wherever, that's okay, not a problem. 2 into 1, so here like that. Now between these two what will come? Numerator is 4 divided by 2 is 2. So they used 2 here, right, into 2. So 4 by 6. Between these two what will come? 6 by 2 is equal to 3. They have used 3 here, into 3. 3 3s are 9, right? Minus 6 by 9 or 6 by minus 9. See, no need to give concentration in this. If you have pattern like this, just after giving your rational numbers, just have negative in the denominator. That's all. How our pattern goes? Using minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This must be 4, right? Next thing. This is 5, this is 6, and this is 7. So have same number in the denominators. Now this is minus 8 divided by 12, minus 10 divided by 15, minus 12 divided by 18, minus 14 divided by 21. That's all. These are the next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern. Third question, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7. See, if the fractional number is in the form p by q, if you multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator, this is equivalent to the given rational number. So, see, m by m means what? M by m is equal to 1. That means you are just multiplying the given rational number with a 1. Instead of 1, you can divide it using 3 by 3, whatever number. It will give you the same thing only. See here, for that, this is minus 2 by 7. Just to multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator, we can use 2 into here 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So these are all equivalent to this minus 2 by 7 only. What is the value now? This is minus 4 divided by 14. This is minus 6 by 21. Minus 8 by 28. Minus 10 divided by 35. That's all. These are the 4 rational numbers. Like this, enormously, unlimitedly we can have rational numbers. Even minus 2 by 7 into 1000 by 1000 is also an equivalent rational number for this given thing. Minus 2000 divided by 7000. So like this you can do like that. Also, if you choose any rational number and cancel using the common factor, it will be again this minus 2 by 7 only. So let's have this one. 4 is the common factor between 8 and 28. So using 4, if we divide, this must be 2 times. Here it is 7 times. See, ultimately we are getting minus 2 by 7 only. So like this, anything we can have, even minus 10 by 35. 5 is the common factor here. So if we divide using 5, this is 2 times, this is 7 times. So these are all equivalent. Equivalent means it's the simplest form must be this alone. Second sum, 5 by minus 3. We are going to give 4 equivalent rational numbers. So just multiply 2 here, 3, 4, 5. So what are they? This is 10 divided by minus 6, 15 divided by minus 9, 20 divided by minus 12, and 25 divided by minus 15. Here also we are going to give equivalent things. So into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. So what are they? This is 8 by 18. 12 divided by 27, 16 divided by 36, 20 divided by 45. Fourth question, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. See, 3 by 4. We are going to represent this 3 by 4 in this number line. So first of all, what you need to note here is this a proper fraction or improper fraction? Proper means numerator, small numerator divided by big denominator. If it is a proper fraction, if it is like this, the value of this 3 by 4 must be less than 1. That means it lies between 0 and 1. 0, 3 by 4 less than 1. This is the range. So here we should have 0. Here it must be 1. In between only this 3 by 4 will come. See the denominator. The denominator is 4. So we are going to divide the number line into 4. So how for that? So how to do that? Instead of 1, shall we give 4 by 4? Is there anything wrong in that? Nothing, right? So this is also 0 by 4. So this is 4 by 4 and this is 0 by 4. So how it will go? This is 0 means this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, this 4 by 4. Our rational number 3 by 4 fell in between 1, 0 and 1. That's all. Easy, right? Second subdivision, minus 5 by 8. This is also a proper fraction, right? Small numerator, big denominator. So this value also lies between 0 and 1. 5 by 8 is a proper fraction. Small numerator, bigger denominator. So this value lies between 0 and 1, 5 by 8. But given number is the negative number. So it must lies between minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 and 0 means minus 1 is always less than 0. So it lies between minus 1 and 0 like this. Okay. So have your minus 1 here and have 0 here. Now we are going to see the denominator 8. The denominator 8 means we are going to divide it into 8 portions. This is 0 by 8, right? And this is minus 8 by 8. Minus 8 by 8 is minus 1 alone. So how it will go? Minus 1. After 0, minus 1 will come, right? Minus 1 by number line. This is minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 8, minus 4 by 8, minus 5 by 8, minus 6 by 8, minus 7 by 8. Our rational number lies here. See, minus 7 by 4. This 7 by 4 means, see here, this is improper fraction. Big numerator divided by small denominator. So, always for the improper fraction, if you divide 7 by 4, what will come? 1 time. So, 4, this is 3 point. If we have 0, 7, 28. Like that it will go. So 1.7. The value of this minus 7 by 4 is 1.7. So it must lies between which number? 7 by 4 lies between 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2. But see here, it is negative 7 by 4. So it must lies between minus 2, minus 1. minus 7 by 4. See, this minus 7 by 4 lies between minus 2 and minus 1. Okay? Any doubt about this? If it is 1 and 2, 1, 2 will go like this, right side. If it is in negative side, minus 1 will come here, minus 2. So, minus 7 by 4 in between these two. So, we will have, minus 2 and minus 1. Now, what we are going to do? See, the denominator, it is 4. I am going to make the denominator 4. That means this is minus 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 1, right? Minus 4 by 4. Obviously, this must be minus 8 by 4. Then only it is minus 2. Minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. Now, what are the numbers will come? This is minus 4 means this must be minus 5 by 4. Minus 6 by 4. This is minus 7 by 4. Our rational number is here. In this place, our rational number exists. 7 by 8. This is also a proper fraction. Small numerator, big denominator. So, obviously, it lies between 0 and 1. No doubt about this. If it is a proper fraction means this is the way. Now, see here. Let us have our 0 here. So, 0 and 1. We can have our 1 here. Now, what we are going to do? See the denominator. It is 8. So, divide it 8. So, this is 8 by 8. Gives you 1. 0 by 8 is 0 only. This way means it must be 7 by 8, 6 by 8, 5 by 8, 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 2 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8. This is ultimately 0 by 8. That is 0. So, our rational number 7 by 8 lies here, this place. Fifth question, the points P, Q or S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that T R is equal to RS equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That means they are all equally divided. That's all they are mentioning here. Name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R and S. What are the rational numbers present here? We are going to find. Okay. See, all these are equally spaced. The distance between these two all are equally placed. So, it is the division. See here, I am taking this portion alone. Just U, S or T. What are the rational numbers will lie here? We will see. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. So, we will have, they divided it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, right? So, what I am going to do is, I am going to make my denominator as 3. Let's see. Minus 1 is equal to, how to make this as 3? In the denominator, if we want 3 means, minus 1 into 3. Here, this is already 1. So, 1 into 3. This is minus 3 by 3, right? Shall we give minus 3 by 3 instead of minus 1? Now, come here. This is minus 2. Minus 2. How to give? This is minus 2 by 1, right? Actually, so if we want 3, we should multiply in the numerator and denominator. This is minus 6 by 3. So, can we have minus 6 by 3 here? Now, what are the numbers will come? This is minus 4 by 3 and this is minus 5 by 3. So, R is minus 4 by 3. S is minus 5 by 3. That's all. Now, come to this place. A, P, Q, B. We want what is P and what is Q. Here also they have divided it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So, we should have 3 in the denominator. For that, what we need to do? 3 equal to 3 by 1. Can we write like this? 3 is 3 by 1 always. So, if you want 3 in the denominator, multiply 3 both the numerator and denominator. So, this is 9 by 3. Now, here also I want 3 in the denominator. This is 2 by 1 only. Okay. So, into 3 into 3. This is 6 by 3. See. 6 by 3 is ultimately 2. Here also 9 by 3 is 3 alone. So what are the numbers will come in between? 6 by 3 means this is 7 by 3 and 8 by 3. The value of P is 7 by 3 and Q is 8 by 3. Here the value of R is minus 4 by 3. S is minus 5 by 3. That's all. These values. PQRS values. Sixth question, which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? See, we have pair of rational numbers. We are going to find which are all same. Let's do it one by one. See here. This is minus 7 by 21. And this is another one is 3 by 9. If you want to see both are equal or not, same or not, just to find the simplest form. That's all. What is the simplest form here? The common factor between two, 7. So using 7, if you divide numerator and denominator, 7, okay, what will come? Minus 1 by 3. Here also if you divide, that means I'm going to cancel directly. 1 time, this is 3 time. So here this pair is 1 by 3 and 3, 1 by 3, minus 1 by, here the pair is minus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Are they equal? They are not equal because it is negative and it is positive. Even though the fractions are same, signs are different. So this is not same. So it is no. Next, minus 16 by 20. 20 by minus 25. We are going to check whether it is same or not. Just to find the simplest form. Using 4 we can divide, no? 4 times 4, here 5 times. So this is minus 4 by 5. Here using 5 we can divide. 20 by 5 is 4. 25 by 5 is 5. This is 4 by minus 5. See, 4 by minus 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by minus 5. So wherever you have negative signs, that's not a problem. Both are equal only. So it is equal, same. It is same. Next sum. Minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Even though numbers, fractions are equal, signs are different. So they are not same. In your book, they have given negatives in the numerator and denominator. So minus 2 by minus 3 is nothing but 2 by 3 only. Here it is already 2 by 3. Both are equal. So answer for this question is yes, both are same. Next question. 8 by minus 5 and 24. Minus 24 by 15. See, 8 by minus 5. No common factor. Both have 3 as the common factor. If we cancel 8 times and this is 5 times. So this is minus 8 by 5. 8 by minus 5 is same as minus 8 by 5. So the answer for this question, both are same rational number. Yes. Here it is already in simplest form. So the value is minus 3 by 5 alone. Here the common factor between numerator and denominator is 4. Using 4, if we cancel, this is 3 times and this is 5 times. That is minus 3 by 5. Yeah, obviously the pair here minus 3 by 5. Here also we are getting minus 3 by 5. Both are equal. Same. Yes, here also it is same. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9. No common factor, we cannot cancel further. So it is not same. No, this is not same. Now minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. This is nothing but 5 by 9. Positive. Like signs cancel each other. This is 5 by minus 9. Both are not equal. That means not same. So here also no, it is not same. Rewrite the following number in the simplest form. So for the simplest, what is the common factor? Or find the HCF. Then divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here by looking itself, we can easily tell 2 is the common factor between minus 8 and 6. So using 2, we can divide the numerator and denominator. This is 4 times. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times. The value is minus 4 by 3. Here, the common factor between these two is 4. Using 4, if you divide the numerator, it will be 11. Minus 11. This is 1 time, 8 time. This is equal to minus 11 by 18. Otherwise, if you don't know how to divide directly like this, find the HCF. Okay, HCF of both the numerator and denominator, and then using that HCF, you can divide the numerator and denominator. See, for example, HCF of 8 and 6. What is the HCF? Using 2, we can divide these two, right? This is 4 times, 3 times. So here no common factor, so leave it, only 2. Here the HCF is 2. So using 2 we have divided. That means minus 8 divided by 2 divided by 6 divided by 2. This is minus 4 divided by 3. This is the way if you want to go by step. Otherwise, if you know the cancellation property, if you know how to cancel, you just do it directly. That's all. These are all simple 1 mark questions. Here, what is the common factor? Obviously 5, right? So 5 times 5, here 9 times. The answer is 5 by 9. Here the common factor between minus 8 and 10 is 2 only. So if you divide, this is 4 times and this is 5 times. This is equal to minus 4 by 5. This is the simplest form. Fill in with greater than, lesser than and equal to symbol. That means we are going to compare the given rational numbers. Let us compare. See, this is minus 5 by 7 compared with 2 by 3. The denominators are different, so we cannot compare. For that we need to find LCM of the denominator. LCM of 7 and 3. If there is no common factor, just the product of the two numbers is the LCM. So 21 is the LCM here. Now what we are going to do is just to make our denominators 21. If you want to make this denominator 21, you multiply it with 3. So here also with 3. This is with 7. Here same thing. 7 means here also 7. So this is minus 15 divided by 21 compared with 14 divided by 21. Right? Now, like fraction. Like fraction means denominators are equal, so it is a like fraction. So now compare the numerator. Minus 15 plus 14. So obviously it is less, right? It is lesser than. So this is also minus 5 by 7 is lesser than 2 by 3 because these are all equivalent fractions. So this value is equal to these values. So negative value is always less than positive value. If you see any negative number compared with the positive number, the negative number is always less than the positive number. So no need to do this, but anyway you need to know how to do this if both are in same sign. For this second subdivision, the LCM of 5 and 7 is 5 into 7 is 35. This is the LCM. Now we should make the denominator as 35. For that what we need to do? Minus 4 by 5 into 7. Just to multiply like this. Here also into 7. Now this is minus 5 by 7. If you want to make it 35, multiply it with 5. That's all. So what we will have? This is minus 28 divided by 35 compared with minus 25 divided by 35. Like fractions. In the like fraction, the bigger numerator number is the bigger thing. So which is bigger here? Minus 28 or minus 25? Minus 28 is less than because negative side. So it must be less. So this is less than this number. See, in this minus 7 by 8 compared with the 14 by 16. It is already in simplest form, but it is not in simplest form. So using 2 we can cancel here. So this is 7 times and this is 8. So we have minus 7 by 8 and 7 by minus 8. This must be equal, right? Minus 7 by 8 is equal to 7 by minus 8. We can have minus wherever, numerator or denominator. That's not a problem. But both are equal, 7 by 8 alone. So this is equal. Next sum, minus 8 by 5 and minus 7 by 4. LCM is 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So we will make our denominator 20. For that, multiply it with 4. Here and here. Here multiply it with 5. Then only denominator becomes 20. So this is minus 32 by 20 compared with minus 35 by 20. So minus 32 in negative side, and minus 32 is the biggest number, right? So this is greater than this one. For this, what is the LCM? LCM is 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. No common factor means just a product is the LCM. So make the denominator 12. For that, multiply it with 4. Here, multiply it with 3. Then only denominators become 12. So this is 4 by 12. Minus 4 is obviously lesser than minus 3. So this 1 by minus 3 less than minus 1 by 4. See, 5 by minus 11 compared with minus 5 by 11. So both are negatives. Also 5 by 11 is the number. So it must be equal. Here 0 minus 7 by 6. 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. So 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. Ninth question, which is greater? Same thing, like comparison we have done no in the 8th question. Same thing here also. What is the LCM of the denominators? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So I want to make the denominators as 6. So I am going to multiply here 2. Then only denominator becomes 6. Here if I want to change this as 6, just multiply it with a 3, right? So this is 4 by 6 compared with 15 by 6. Which is bigger, 4 or 15? 15 is bigger. So 4 is less than 15. So question is, which is greater? So obviously this is greater. So this is our greater number. 5 by 2 is the greater number. See, LCM of the denominator here also. LCM of 6 and 3. What is LCM of 6 and 3? Again 6 will come. Bigger number will come. See here. 3 times 2 and 1 comma 1. 3 2s are 6. So LCM is 6. So we want to make denominators as 6. So already we have 6 in the denominator here, first rational number. So to make this 6 into 2 into 2. So this is minus 5 by 6 compared with minus 8 by 6. Obviously this is greater, minus 5, like in the like fraction, compare only the numerator. Minus 5 is greater than minus 8 by 6. So this is our greater number. This rational number is the greater number. LCM between two denominators 4 and 3 is 4 3s are no common factor. So LCM must be 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Make the denominator 12. For that, multiply it with 3 and multiply it with 4. So this is minus 9 by 12 compared with 8 divided by 12. So here negative means both are negative only. So minus 9 is minus 9 and minus 8. See, if you are having things like this, just move this negative sign to the top. So this will become positive. So which is greater? Minus 9 is less than minus 8. So this is the greater thing. So this is the greater number, greater rational number. Next, minus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4. Obviously, directly we can tell this is our greater rational number because this is positive. And now this one, minus 3, 2 by 7, minus 3, 4 by 5. See, it's little catchy thing is here. Both are negative and the whole number here is 3. So we should compare only this 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. We are going to compare only the fraction. Let's compare. So LCM here is 7 into 5, which is equal to 35. So we are going to make our denominator 35. So for that, multiply it with the 5. Here 7 into 7. So this is 10 divided by 35 compared with the 28 divided by 35. Now important thing, have this minus here. Because 3 3 same. Now have this minus here. So minus 10 is greater than this minus 28. Right? So obviously this is our greater number. Greater rational number. 10th question, write the rational numbers in ascending order. That means from small to big number we are going to write. See, if the denominators are equal, then just give your denominator like this, like fraction. These are all like fraction. So compare the numerator alone. Here, what is the smaller numerator? Minus 3 only. So the given thing is already in ascending order only. Now we are going to do our orders here. For that, find the LCM of 9 and 3, denominators only, right? So 3 comma 9, 3, 1 time, 3 times. So LCM is obviously 3 into 3, bigger number only here, 9. So make the denominator 9. See, compare the numerators. Negative sign with the bigger number is the smaller number. So this is the first, number 1 smaller number. This is second smaller number, this is third smaller number. So we should have like this. Here the LCM of 7, 2 and 4. Using 2 we can divide this. Again using 2, using 7, 1 comma 1 comma 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So LCM is equal to 28. Now we are going to make this 3 by 7 and minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. We are going to have 28 in the denominator. For that, what we need to do? Multiply it with the 4 by 4. Here this is 14. We are going to multiply it here, 14. Now 7 into 7. Now this is minus 12 by 28. This is minus 42 divided by 28, and this is minus 21 by 28. Like fractions, denominators are equal. So compare the numerator. This is the smaller number. So this is 1. Minus 42 is smaller than minus 21. So this must come first. So this is second number and this is our third number. See here, now while giving that, you should not give this number. Middle number is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 should come here, and minus 3 by 4 comma minus 3 by 7 and so on. Ascending order from smaller number to bigger number. This is the way we need to find the ascending order for the rational numbers. Better you have clear concept about the rational numbers. For that, you can watch our rational numbers introduction video already posted. Thank you.